Hi, my name is Patrick Wire, and the next topic in our digital retailing series is managing the message helper library. We saw in the previous video how to use the message helper under the chat view for a contact and how you can reuse messages. For instance, you can copy a message and resend it back out via email to a customer. You can also go to the, if you really like a particular message, maybe that you used in the past, you can copy that message just by selecting that option and copy it to the library. So where is the message helper and how do you actually manage that? I'm going to go to Tools and then see up here at the top where it says Messaging Library and Messaging Categories. Well, the options called Messaging Categories are the way that you organize these items underneath the chat view. So for instance, we could add, by adding a new category, we could click the green plus and we could say for trucks, and it might mean, maybe some detailed vehicle specifications or some other information that you want to include under this category. And then we could, so we click this category. Now this category will show up under the actual messages. We don't have any messages in it yet, so let's just see where that lands up. So we're right there now. So now we've got a new category called trucks, but we don't really have any messages in it yet. Okay, so let's go back to tools again. So that's where we create categories, and it adds to, you could have 7, 8, or 9, or 10 different categories. And then we have something called the message library. And here, of course, if you want to create a message, you can just click the green plus, put in the name, figure out which category you want it in, and then just type in whatever that message is. And then ultimately you can organize it by category. So any message that's been created will be listed in here, and it will give it a default short name. So you may want to go back and edit these from time to time to actually give it a different short name that matches up with what you want it to be and what the essence of the message is. So it's a very, very easy interface to be up for the message helper. You have both a listing of messages and you have a listing of categories, and then we organize those messages under each of the categories. So whenever you are in a contact, and I'm going to go the shortcut here, whenever you're in a contact and you're looking for another message, we can just display the message helper, choose which category we want to look under, and then pick a message to go into the actual message. So as time goes on, you can build out 50 to 100 messages or more, manage them effectively, and be able to send out clear and concise messages, whether it's vehicle specific or it is general in nature for answers and questions that you want to ask. It is all at the power of your fingertips. Thank you so much.